Check out this blind rivet set I have here. It's 1,000 pieces, good for aluminum and steel. It's a pop rivet assortment kit. Here's all the different sizes of rivets you get in here. The number and amount you get, and you get a bunch of washers in there too. But what I really like about these things, got a little thing in there too, but check these things out. These are black rivets, really cool looking. And it's got the black washers too. Okay, let's say you wanted to rivet this little hanger here to something like this. So I already got a hole in that. Just match it up. I'm going to drill a hole right through here and pop a rivet in there. Got one here, fits right in there. I'm going to go ahead and use a washer with it. Go ahead and just pop this in there. Got my rivet gun here. See, I got my rivet through there. Now just give it a squeeze a couple times. There we go. Got me a nice rivet, and I got a hook for my can. Now let's say you wanted to make some kind of a scoop with this thing. Drill a hole there. Line up that hole. I'm going to drill another one right here. Got my rivet with the washer here. Stick it through here. Then it's going to go right on here. I'll put the other one right in there. There we go. Got a mug and a scoop. Scoop stuff out, maybe some feed, things like that. Now let's say you want to rivet a couple pieces of sheet metal together. Go ahead and overlap them here and drill a hole through there. So you want to find a drill bit about the same size as the base of your rivet, whatever rivet you want to use. Perfect. Pop that rivet through the hole. There we go. Now I've got my sheet metal riveted together. Overall, I'm super happy with these rivets. I love the look of them. I love the assortment and the variety. Really good kit to have here. Thanks for watching, everybody.